Hello, my name is Габи Пеллег, founder and CMO of AgroTop Israel, a world leader in livestock project company. We have built projects in more than 50 countries worldwide, and we are now concentrating on Kazakhstan as a future market for livestock and agriculture projects. We are very impressed by the positive business culture, willingness to support foreign investors as part of the government policy and vision of the future of Kazakhstan. During my visits to Kazakhstan to promote these projects, I found very supportive attitude, willingness to help and overcome any obstacle to move forward the execution of such projects. The people we met, including governors, bankers, officials, and are very supportive and committed to executing the country's vision. I would like to commentate the outstanding work of Mr. Nurjan Utapayev from KAZAKH Invest, doing his utmost to promote our project in West Kazakhstan region. It is truly a pleasure to work with such professionals and get the support of all participants. Now, due to the current situation in Ukraine, our investors are waiting for the atmosphere to clear up before moving forward. We hope this situation will end very soon and we will continue forward in full force to implement the project. We are very excited and enthusiastic to start working in Kazakhstan as we see a bright future and cooperation with all the participants that we met. Thank you very much and see you very soon in Kazakhstan starting our project.